Efficiency is key in business, and when your company has a lot of packages, pallets, or bulk inventory coming in, it can be quickly and easily disinfected with our Industrial UV-C Sanitation Booth. This powerful 1,600 watt UVC disinfecting system can act as a dedicated sanitation room for your work site. This large sanitation booth is perfect for pallets and large containers and can hold pallets up to 48 inches wide by 60 inches long by 80 inches tall. This UVC booth utilizes powerful germicidal UVC output in the range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and kills up to 99% of bacteria, germs, viruses, and mold. With a durable 100,000-hour lifespan in these UVC lamps, this sanitation booth is the best long-lasting solution on the market. This booth comes equipped with safety features such as indicator lights alerting operators when it is safe to open and when it is in use, an emergency top switch to deactivate the booth, and a timer that provides operators the ability to increase or decrease the UVC treatment. This UVC sanitation solution features 2 doors and 10 powerful UVC lamps. The 2 doors allow for fast entrance and exit for fast and efficient one-way processing and sanitation of large equipment. This UVC disinfecting booth is perfect for warehouses, processing centers, manufacturing facilities, and other industrial settings for sanitizing containers, pallets, packaging, and more. This UVC sanitation booth is in stock and ready to ship to your facility immediately. To check out our selection of all UVC sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.